If you want to earn a little extra money from the stocks you already own, Wealthsimple has a feature called stock lending that lets you do exactly that. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn it on step by step and show you where to track your earnings once it's active. Let's get right into it. First, open up the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the account where you want to enable stock lending. This could be your TFSA, your personal account, or any eligible investing account you have. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find a section called Investing Settings. This is where Wealthsimple keeps all the features related to how your investments are managed. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Stock Lending. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can turn the feature on. You'll see a toggle that allows you to enable stock lending across your investment accounts. Once you switch this on, Wealthsimple can start lending out eligible shares you own to other market participants, and in return you earn interest on those shares. Now, quick tip here, not every stock in your portfolio will be lent out. It depends on demand in the market, so don't worry if you don't see earnings right away. It can take some time before activity picks up. Once stock lending is turned on, you can come back to the same page anytime to track what's happening. If you tap on View Details, you'll be able to see which of your stocks are currently being lent out, along with your total earnings so far. And if you want a more detailed breakdown, tap on View Earning History. This shows you how much you've earned month by month, which is useful if you want to track your progress over time. Another small tip, even though stock lending can generate passive income, it does come with some trade-offs, like reduced voting rights on lent shares. So it's worth understanding how it fits into your overall investing strategy before leaving it on long term. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled stock lending on Wealthsimple and know exactly where to track your earnings. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials just like this.